Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to stop Roblox Premium on your mobile device. It's a straightforward process, and I'm here to help you navigate it step by step. Whether you're using an Apple iPhone or an Android phone, we'll cover the exact instructions you need to manage your subscription. You can easily cancel your premium membership directly through your device's App Store settings, ensuring you have full control over your account. Let's get started and make this process simple for you. If you're an iOS user, canceling your Roblox Premium is quite simple. First, open the Settings app on your device. Then tap on your Apple ID, which is usually at the very top of the screen. From there, select Subscriptions and you'll see a list of all your active subscriptions. Find your Roblox Premium membership, tap on it, and then choose Cancel Subscription. Confirm your decision and you're all set. Your premium benefits will continue until the end of your current billing period. For those of you on an Android device, the process is just as easy. Begin by opening the Google Play Store app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon, which is located in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Payments and Subscriptions and then tap on Subscriptions. You'll then see your Roblox Premium listed. Tap on it, choose Cancel Subscription, and follow any additional prompts to confirm. It's a quick and simple way to manage your membership. After you've successfully canceled your Roblox Premium, there are a few important things to keep in mind. Your premium benefits, like your monthly Robux allowance and exclusive items, will continue until the very end of your current billing cycle. Please note that you won't receive a refund for the current period you've already paid for. However, if you ever change your mind in the future, you can easily resubscribe to Roblox Premium at any time through the same App Store settings. It's entirely up to you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.